Hi guys, my name is Ventura. In today's video, I'm going to show you can use an iPhone as a webcam for your MacBook and how to get set up in under 30 seconds. Now before you proceed, you need to ensure that your MacBook is running macOS Ventura and your iPhone is updated to iOS 16. The first step is to go into your iPhone settings. Under General, go to AirPlay and Handoff, and then make sure that Continuity Camera is enabled. You can also get to this setting by easily searching in Webcam in the settings bar. Now once this setting is enabled, you can start using your iPhone as a webcam. Here's a quick demonstration in Zoom where you can simply select your iPhone as a video device and you're done. You can also add video effects to your iPhone by going into the toolbar up on the right hand corner. Now one of the main benefits of having an iPhone as a webcam is not just the improved video quality, but it gives you the freedom and flexibility to move it around without having to adjust your laptop. You can buy a clip that hangs on your MacBook, but I personally use this Ulanzi universal tripod with a cell phone mount for my setup. It extends vertically and the swivel allows you to change your camera for the best angle possible. Another great accessory to consider is an external light. I use this mini LED by Visuum that can dim in and out and clips right onto the tripod. I'll post a link to all the items in the description below. You can find them all on Amazon. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. But until next time, peace.